Okay, so first job today is trying to get the suspended ceiling down in the next room. I've never done it before, but hopefully it'll be quite easy, so let's go. The rock wall is horrible for your throat. Thankfully James did the second half of that while I was still doing the ceiling bit. But most of it's gone now, which is good. But then now I've got a new pile of metal. I think my throat's had it. It's not good. Probably should be wearing more masks. So that's all that suspended ceiling down. You see, well actually, I lied, there's a little bit there. So I'll do that. And then in this room, got rid of most of the rock wool. There's tiny bits on the floor. Cleared the floor nicely. Ceiling's looking cool. Very cool, actually. You can see the kind of pitch on the roof now, how much it kind of angles up across there. Like at the lower point over there, you can literally just touch the ceiling pretty much. But over here it's pretty high. This wall is looking really dodgy and how much it's bowing out. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Move the branches. It's probably not showing up very well on the camera. Probably looks pretty straight. It isn't. So this level is straight. I'm gonna find a piece of wall that's not gonna be sticking out of it. You see at the bottom, there's like an inch and a bit gap, and at the top probably an inch gap. I think that's way, it doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a lot. So if we do replace all this roof above my head, I think this wall will end up coming down when we do it, whether it falls down or whether we do it anyway. Good thing is this is 2-skin wall, so there's bricks on the other side. I think that's gonna be straight still, so we'll work out when we get to it. Next job up here, well, I got a few I need to do up here, but not that many really. This wall I wanna hack off. There's like nice stone behind it. I want to see what that looks like. And then in the next room, I want to get the carpet up so we can have a look at the floor joists, because one of them is definitely dodgy because I can tell from below. I think it'd be easier to see from above than below and try and get a bit of the carpet away. My next thought is to go downstairs and try and get rid of a couple of stud walls we got in there. After the stud walls are down, I've done like a lot of the ripping out that I want to do, other than there's quite a lot to do on the balcony part, but I might leave that till a bit later on. I want to know exactly what I'm doing with it before I rip away what's there. There's only one other stone wall that I'm questioning whether I completely get rid of, and I think I probably should. This wall here with a window in it. I mean, at the moment it's like just for the stairwell, and like this wall in the middle. I don't know if it's doing much, and I think I can replace it with just plasterboard wall. I want to. I don't know why I would get rid of it though necessarily, because I guess I probably would end up replacing it. So maybe it stays for now. Let me take you downstairs and I'll show you the wall I want to get rid of next. It's the wall behind me. Actually in there as well, that is a stud wall. So all of this wall here, that can go. The thing I need to be really careful of is that white cable there is the incoming power line, which goes to here. It's my electric box. And that there is 3-phase electric. So I think, what does that work out? It's like 240 amps. So if I'm taking rid of that wall, I need to be careful of that. It's also like kind of damp and it's on a rotten board, so it's kind of falling off. So being careful is key here, I think. You can kind of see where the kind of stud is. Well, from this side, a lot easier. There's obviously one pillar in the middle, but then it carries on the stud. So yeah, because the stud walls are like super cheap to just put back in, I think just get rid of them. They've all got a bit of damp in them. We can always remove them, and then if we want to put them back in the same place, it's not too much of an issue. I think we just get rid. And also, there's another one behind me here. This isn't a stud wall. It'll be like, it's like boxing on an original wall, but I just don't know what's behind it. So I want to get rid of that as well, just to see how much extra space we can get. It might be nothing, but I want to know. sorry, yeah, this video is going to end here because I somehow lost all the rest of the footage of me taking down that stud wall, and then I ended up hacking off the walls and stuff behind me, and then this pillar as well here. I think I've lost a load of other footage as well. I don't know how I've done it, but yeah, so next week I'll come and show you, because I've done loads of hacking off everywhere really. And I got rid of that stud wall there as well, but so far this footage is lost, so yeah, I'll run it through next week, what we got up to, and yeah, loads more stuff to do. Thanks for watching. See you next week.